In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Patreon membership not showing. If your Patreon membership seems to be missing, the good news is that this is often caused by an account mismatch, a session issue, or a billing problem, and each of those is fairly straightforward to check. We'll walk through the most important places to look so you can confirm whether your membership is active and restore access as quickly as possible. First, check which account is actually tied to the membership. A very common issue is being logged into Patreon with one email address while the paid membership is connected to another. To verify this, search your inbox for Patreon welcome emails or payment receipts from Patreon. Those messages can help you identify the exact email address linked to the active payment. This step matters because even if you know you paid, the membership won't appear if you're signed into the wrong account. Once you've confirmed the correct email, log out of Patreon completely, either on the app or the website, and then log back in using that exact email address. This refreshes your session and can resolve situations where Patreon is showing outdated account data. If needed, close and reopen the app or refresh the browser after signing back in. Next, if you use Patreon as both a creator and a supporter, check whether Patreon is asking you to merge or consolidate profiles. Sometimes temporary restrictions or incomplete profile setup can hide certain account information, including memberships. If you see any prompt related to combining profiles or finishing account setup, go ahead and complete it before checking your membership again. After that, verify your payment and app data. This is an important checkpoint because even if the account is correct, missing access can still happen if the payment didn't fully go through or if the app hasn't updated properly yet. Now head to settings and open billing history. Look for any recent charge that was declined or failed. If a payment was unsuccessful, Patreon may automatically lock or hide access to the tier until the charge is resolved. If you see a retry option, use it to attempt the payment again. Finally, go to settings and then memberships to confirm your current membership status. Make sure the membership shows as active and that you're assigned to a proper tier rather than a custom pledge. In some cases, access depends on being attached to a specific tier, so this is worth double checking carefully. If you follow these checks in order, you'll usually find the cause of the missing membership quickly. In most cases, it comes down to the correct login, profile consolidation, or billing status.